Good day, traders. Hoping that everybody's doing well today. Let's see what we've got for the day. Good morning, Justin. Justin, how's my sound? How's my sound on your side? If everything is good, we can definitely get on it. Awesome, Justin. Drop some pairs. Let's see what we can find today. See if we can get a nugget or two. And if we do, we'll try to take advantage of it. GJ. See, got us to take a look at GJ. We just need 3 more pairs, and then we'll see how that works out for us. I had a markup for GJ yesterday. I just don't know what happened to it, but yeah, let's see how it looks today. There's an interesting area for us to work with. And I probably want to watch this area as well. Okay. Drop into the 15. Just looking at this area here. Back up to the daily. Yeah, you'd be forcing a trade if you actually got into this one, eh? Because I can see it is at a very interesting area. The issue now is the point of entry. Trying to find a good point of entry, which is a bit difficult in this case. And when you go back up to the 21st of July, it's a bit too far to be working with. So it's a bit tricky. So we'll probably be looking at these levels here. Oh yeah, Lucas, you got this trade. I lost the markup. I don't really know what happened to it. But okay, man, it's pretty good. But it is a buy, of course. We're looking at a buy. We're looking at going up from here. The trick now is from which level, because I can see we can potentially use this one, which is from a longer while ago. Okay, and then we can go up from here, or we can look at taking it from these levels using the stop loss here, and also going up all the way into the, let's see how it looks here, all the way into these levels. Yeah, so it's a bit tricky taking it from these levels now. Okay, so it'll look something like this. Something like this. And if you want to increase your stop loss or reducing your RR, you could actually make it a bit safer on that level, or just look at that. There we go. There we go. So it looks like this. And remember, you need to manage your trade well, or just use the Wushu toolbox, of course, which will manage it for you. But manage it well. Take your partials. Always take your partials, because you never know what the market could do to you. So we've got that on GJ, and then NAS 100. Yesterday the NAS really played with us, because if you think about it, it literally went up to our level, or almost at our level, and then just dropped from there. Yeah, it was a bit tricky. And then I posted signal in our, I don't know if it was premium or not, which looked, it was on a 5-minute actually, which we had on one of our bootcamp sessions with our student, and then price just turned right before. Didn't really hit our level, but yeah, we missed it by 60 points, and it literally just went all the way up from these levels. But yeah, you get one of those. But now on the daily, US 100 would look a little like this. I am still looking at a sell, of course, at these marks, using that zone there, drop to the lower time frames. One would argue, why not use these ones, these zones here, these ones here, and why am I using that one? You can also use this one as well, but I think I prefer having a bit of a stronger point to trade from, which would be the daily instead of the intraday ones. So I'd rather miss a trade than get into a trade that kicks me out too quickly. Should at least have a fighting chance. So we'll be looking at a trade along these levels. And yep, so something like that. And if you are looking at entering a trade sooner or later, you can use the most recent supply area. You'd probably look at that candle over there, and then you would drop it even further. Probably looking at that area over there, and then you have a trade that looks a little like this. Both setups are valid, by the way. It just depends on your tolerance. So if you were to be trading this, you probably have a 0.25% risk on this one, and then probably a 0.25 on this one as well if it does go up to the top. That way you do manage your risk better. So it would look like that. So you'd look at something like that on the US 100. And then I see also wants us to take a look at gold. And then we've got GA. Then I think we should be done from there. What's my favorite pair? I actually don't have a favorite pair. I've got those pairs I don't like, but I don't necessarily have a favorite. Gold is very friendly to me. I usually get some very good gold moves. Very, very good ones when I get them. And I think it's because I don't really rush gold. I don't really force trades with it. I always operate from the daily, and if it's not there, I let it go. I respect gold. Gold will really humble you if you don't respect it. But yeah, with gold, I don't see a good trade-off area as well. Yeah, I don't see one. I think we had a chat with one of the, I think it's Chiu. She was targeting the 1800 mark, and it could be hitting now. And I think she got it at, or he got it at 34, 1734, give or take. So they got quite some good moves there. But gold out traded at these levels, or these ones. I wouldn't go anywhere close for now, based on the past couple of weeks. Usually I'd get in deeper into the 1 hour and so forth, and then try to take it from there. But for now, I would not touch it. I'd wait for it to hit these levels and then drop, or drop all the way down to hit these levels and then go up. So, and then I'd probably use these candles here, and then wait for it to go up. Yeah, actually we did say the 10-year yield is down, so you go long. Yeah. And then okay, so with gold there, I would wait for it to really come up here and drop it from there. And looking at the 15-minute, trying to find a precise area. Yeah, I'd look at something along these ranges. Okay, and then it would look a little something like that. Yeah, gold can be friendly when you run. I mean, we got this drop, this massive drop with the NFP. I mean, we got that, but sometimes it works for you, sometimes it doesn't. And I usually don't advocate for trading with the news. It can be a bit tricky, which is why I seldom post anything that has to do with trading during NFP. Should be ready to get crazy moves in that. And the spreads tend to get a bit crazy as well. So you don't want to mess up with that. The slippage, I mean. Okay, so I would look at this move. Yep. So we'll just wait for that. Have an alert there and just wait for that to happen. Last one, GA. Let's see what GA is looking like. GA. Go into the daily. There's a lot of some nice levels here. Break of structure I can maintain. Probably look at that. Probably are gonna go back up to the top. But until then, we are gonna operate in these levels here. Looking for short-term intraday moves to the bottom, and then take it from there. Probably look at a level similar to that. We drop into the 15, including that wick at the top there. So look at that, and then let's take a look at the spread. Too massive. Going to the 5. Would look at something like that. Okay. So we'd look at a position along these levels, targeting all these zones here. Yeah, something along these ranges. Put an alert, wait for price to get into your zone, and then use momentum coming down with it. Hit 1R, move stop to break even. Wait for 3R, or rather wait for 2R, close 50%, 3R, move to 1R, 5R, move to 2R, close 25%, and then just let the rest run. So that's how you'd approach that one. And that's about it, actually. That's about it. We did 4 pairs. Let's see how they work out for the day. And yeah, everything else I'll drop in the premium. And these I'll drop in the free signals channel. And I'll just take it from there. Happy trading, fellas. Check you guys again tomorrow, same time, And don't forget to check out the Wushu Toolbox, beautiful tool. And yeah, have an awesome day.